ditch. We need somebody out here right away to help us. We're just inside of Loop 610.
The calls come in. A trench has collapsed on several construction workers. Your rescue squad responds and is rolling to the scene. Are they prepared for success, or will they become additional victims themselves? In excavation accidents, 40% of would-be rescuers become victims as a result of secondary collapse. When there's been a trench cave-in, there's a 500 to 1 chance that another collapse will occur in the same excavation. For a successful trench rescue, your squad should secure the trench from further collapse. Use rescue equipment that's safe, fast, and easy to place, and be trained in using the trench rescue equipment. Speedshore Corporation of Houston, Texas, responded to the comments and suggestions from municipal and industrial fire departments and rescue squads by designing and manufacturing a special trench rescue kit. Speedshore is the pioneer of aluminum hydraulic trench shoring systems used by the underground construction industry for over 30 years. Their expertise has produced trench rescue shores that can be quickly installed completely from above ground, eliminating your rescuer's exposure to the dangers of secondary collapse. Speedshore's design team incorporated a unique swivel socket pad, allowing the rescue shores to be utilized effectively in situations where trench walls are uneven or not parallel. Speedshore rescue shores use lightweight, high-strength aluminum hydraulic cylinders and heavy-duty cylinder extensions, which can be quickly combined to shore excavations from 2 to 12 feet wide. Specially adapted high-density rescue panels are used in conjunction with rescue shores for added protection against sloughing soils. The entire trench rescue system may be put in place quickly, ensuring the safety of your rescue team without interfering with the timely completion of their mission.
There always seems to be a sense of urgency in these situations, but we can fade the heat for the time it takes to set up the rescue equipment. The main thing is we do not want the fire to become additional.
The strongest point was the fact that you don't have to put a man into the trench. You can install all of the trenching material, all of the shores and the fin forms without actually exposing a man to a live trench.
Speedshore packages trench rescue kits in a variety of configurations to meet your specific needs. All kits include several sizes of rescue shores, along with a range of extensions for each shore. Rescue panels are also included, along with the necessary hydraulic pumps and environmentally safe fluid. Each package also includes special shoring tools and ropes for handling and placing the shores and panels. All equipment in the kits is reusable. Speedshore safety training professionals provide extensive training on the proper use and application of trench rescue kits.
The training involved was build our confidence in putting the fins down, and then also using the hydraulic shoring to secure the trench walls. Also, I think their number one concern was that they pushed a lot was safety, and that's what stuck in the back of my mind all the time, is safety. It was hard work, but at the same time, knowledge-wise, everything came back to me as we were trying to prepare ourselves to get these fins in place against the walls of the trench so we could secure it and try to get the victim out.
Back in Houston, a ditch caved in on a construction worker in northeast Houston today, but he was saved thanks to some brave men in the Houston Fire Department. The accident occurred in the 8100 block of Wallaceville Road near the East Loop, where a plumbing company was connecting a private line to the city sewer. Mauro Alviso was in a trench when the walls caved in around him. The fire department rescue squad called to the scene had been trained by the Speedshore Corporation. That company specializes in cave-in rescues, and officials came by to watch their former students in action.
You can see that the guy is in a lot of pain right now, so it's a very painful process, and you have to be very careful digging him out to make sure that you don't injure him any more than he already is injured.
Alviso was rescued. He was taken to Bentab Hospital, treated for injuries to his back and legs, and he's listed in fair condition tonight. Speedshore officials say the rescue team did an excellent job in saving him.
I secured the incident by orders of my captain, and at the same time, once we got the equipment there, our speed shoring equipment, we started to working, putting the fins and your hydraulics jacks to work. After we secured the trench with our fins and hydraulic jacks, it felt very safe. I felt very confident to go in there and try to attempt to dig the victim out.
As long as the shoring's in place, which is why I think it didn't cave in on those guys, the shoring was in place. It's really not that big a concern. It's not going to cave in on you while you're down there as long as you got the safety equipment in place.
At this time, we're much more prepared than we were, say, a year and a half or 2 years ago. And in fact, that's based on the fact that we've now received the hydraulic shores and the fin form and the training. Where in the past we would have had to improvise with timber that was found on the location, and at this point we can use equipment that's available to us. We refuse to compromise safety for time. This enables us to do that and do it as quickly as possible and as safely as possible.
Speedshore Corporation offers you the best system available to help you protect your rescue team members as they successfully perform their rescue mission. Call Speedshore today to learn more about our extensive line of trench rescue shoring.